Okay, so I wanted to do a quick screencast on tab completion, since tab completion is kind of a hard thing to describe in text. So I figured I would just kind of do a quick demo here so that it's a little easier to understand. So I'm in Stata. I got my command window open. So I guess just in a nutshell, basically tab completion allows you to autocomplete variables that are stored in Stata. So I'm going to generate a variable here. Let's do something longer. Some variable name, and we'll just do that. So now we can see that I've got some variable name stored, and I can recall that obviously by clicking on it, and that's one way to bring it up, but not really the fastest. You got, if you're typing in commands, you got to reach over, grab the mouse, go back and forth, and while it seems trivial, it can be kind of annoying, and it can use up a bit of time, and you can save yourself. Some of these variable names are kind of convoluted anyways, and so they're kind of a pain to type. So that's where tab completion is really useful. So since we know that we only have one variable here and it starts with an S, all I really need to do to bring up this variable is type S and then hit tab, and we can see that Stata has auto-completed that. It knows that I'm trying to type some variable name, so basically it's trying to figure out what I'm trying to type, and based on the variables that it has stored, it was easily able to figure that out. But let's add another one here. So let's call this one some other variable and give it a value. Okay, so now we can see I've got both my variables here, and now when I type S and hit tab, it knows that I'm, based on the variables that it has stored, the only thing that I could have been typing was sum, because both of these variables start with sum, but it doesn't know which one I was typing. So it does as much as it can, and then it waits for me to give it more input. So if I was wanting to type some variable name, it's gotten me to sum, so I just type V and hit tab, and it'll complete the rest. So now it knows, it has enough information to know I was talking about this specific variable and not this other variable, not the some other variable. So just to demonstrate again, so I can type S or even SO, and hit tab, and it'll complete as far as it can. And if I'm wanting to type, or if I'm wanting some other variable, I just hit O and hit tab, and it knows now, it has enough information to know, oh, I was trying to type some other variable. And so with really three buttons, I can type up this whole, what's relatively long variable name, just S tab, O tab. So four buttons. But you get the basic idea. Integrate this into your workflow, and I think that you'll find that it's really, really useful and can save you what will add up to quite a bit of time. I hope this ends up being helpful for you.